Hello friends, today we are going to see the fixing of multi-click mechanism in 37 mm sliding shutter. This is the 37 mm sliding shutter. The machining which is required in this to fix the multi-click mechanism needs 3 holes over here where you need to fix the handle. The details of machining are shown in this drawing over here in the drawing number 1. You can see it very well over here. 3 10 mm diameter holes are required with 16 mm slot with 13 mm wide. A very simple tools are required to fix this handle we are going to fix. We need these adapters. This adapter comes along with the counter plate and the screws. You need to fix this counter plates in this adapter, and you need to pass the screw bypassing this mechanism. 8 adapters are required over here because the holes which are provided in this are 8 numbers: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and the foremost is 8. Now we will see how to fix this inside the mechanism. You need to fix these adapters in this, all the 8 at the position of the holes. 1 2 3 4. Fairly you have to put the position of the adapters in front of the holes which are in this SPAC rod. I have approximately keep this at the same distance where you need to fix the screws by keeping this like this over here. You need to put this rod on the adapters. You have to make sure that the holes of the SPAC and the adapters match. I'm trying to now drag the adapters in such a way these holes and the holes of adapter are matching below it in all the 8 holes. Now you need to fix these screws in the adapter in all the 8 locations. 1 2. One thing we need to note over here, we need to cut the rod length as per the requirement of the profile. I have checked it roughly that it is interfering over here this face. That's why we need to cut this from the marking which I have shown here. This is the required length. This length is not required. Now I am going to cut this from the center. Now we have fixed this all the 8 adapters along on the SPAC. Now we need to fix the handle. This, as I already explained, we have cut this pin as per the size. You need to put this over here, exactly matching. Now we need to match the holes and tight these 2 screws in this over here. Now you need to fix this both the screws. Make sure that it's comfortably tight to hold the handle. It's so easy. And now I hold the shutter like this. I check it, it's operating fine. Now you can see 1 2 and 3 locking points are operating over here. Based on this, the counter plate will be fixed in the outer shutter exactly in front of the locking point, 1 2 and 3. This is the glass side, this is the outer side, this is the pulling position, this is the lock position. Now I just want to show one thing. Based on your height of the shutter, these are the possible lengths of the available aspect. Hope this video will help you in fixing the multi-point locking in 37 mm sliding shutter. Thank you for watching the video.